Audit-ready maintenance records are not just files you can export. They are the result of consistent workflow continuity across inspections, maintenance actions, and closure documentation. That distinction matters for transit and paratransit teams because record requests often arrive under time pressure. A strong audit-ready model has three traits. First, connected evidence. Inspection findings, corrective actions, and maintenance history should link clearly without manual reconstruction. Second, retrieval speed. Your team should be able to locate records quickly by vehicle, date, defect type, or work order context. Third, defensible context. Records should show not only what happened, but how and when it was resolved. A common weakness is document fragmentation. Teams have data in one system, notes in another, and supporting details in shared files. That creates risk when leadership or oversight asks for a complete trail. A practical test is simple. Pick one real defect event from the past month. Ask your team to retrieve the full life cycle: inspection finding, assigned action, maintenance completion, and closure notes. If that takes too long or requires multiple manual joins, your process is not yet audit-ready. This is why record quality depends on workflow design, not reporting alone. Motrix positions audit-ready records as a connected maintenance workflow outcome for transit and paratransit fleets. If your team wants a practical checklist, use the Audit-Ready Records Guide linked in the description. Then watch our spreadsheet replacement video if your current record trail still depends on manual logs.